I want to talk about how being overweight or out of shape makes your pectus excavatum look worse. Why this is because when you're overweight, it makes a pot belly that's already associated with pectus and flaring ribs. You already kind of have a pot belly. It makes that look so much worse, okay? And when that's protruding, it makes the rib flare look worse. But obviously a protruding belly will then make the sunken chest look deeper. So that's really the main reason why being overweight makes your pectus look worse. And so what happens when we turn that protruding belly into abs, into a six pack, is that flat stomach then obviously makes the indent not be as indented because you're not having a stomach that's protruding more, okay? So that is the main reason why being overweight makes your pectus look worse. On top of that, if you have man boobs, it's gonna make your pectus look a lot worse as well. Instead, what we wanna develop is a lean, muscular, shredded physique. Okay, we want to be lean, we want to have a six-pack, we want to have defined and sculpted muscles. That is how you make your pectus look so much less noticeable with exercise, with training, okay, with building your body. And when you're out of shape, it really does accentuate the condition. Just look at these client examples of mine. You can see it in Jonathan's transformation. Very obvious when he lost fat, he's gotten bench shape, his pectus looks a lot better, okay? Richard's transformation as well. I have so many client transformations where losing fat was the key thing that made their pectus look better, on top of building and targeting key muscle groups and also opening posture. Typically though, if you are overweight, you probably have poor posture, you probably all rounded over because you're sedentary, which is associated to being overweight. And so, you know, when you're in this poor posture, that also makes the pectus look worse. So, you know, when we start weight training to build muscle to help you lose fat, it's something we'll also focus on is your posture. Now, it also works on the inverse. If you are very skinny, that also is going to accentuate the pectus majorly as well. Obviously, skinny, kind of bony body is only going to accentuate a bone deformity. It's going to make the rib flare very obvious. It's going to make the indented chest very obvious. So we really want that really nice, lean, muscular physique. That is the key body type to make the pectus less noticeable. Obviously, I've got so many client testimonials that also show how effective getting a lean, muscular physique is in terms of making your pectus look better. If you are watching this, then this could be the catalyst for change for you, to change your body, your pectus, and your life, okay? And I would love to help you with that. Obviously, that's what I do. This is what I care about. So if you're interested, links in the description, you can book a call with me and then we can get started.